Hello everyone. Today's topic is Amma. It is in the Tillikannada textbook class 5. Here in this video I am going to explain the question and answer in English. So it will be easy for all of you to understand. Let's start. Kavi Parichaya. Kavi Parichaya means about the poet. Kaviya Hesaru means name. So what is the poet name? Jamvana Amara Chinta. Janana means birthplace. It is Raichuru. Stala means year 1945. Next one. Kavana Sankalana. Kavana means poetry. Sankalana means collection. So what are the collection? Manjavina Korolu. Manali Onda Akshara. Prasasti. Prasasti means award. So what are the awards the poet got? Karnataka Rajyosava Award. Karnataka Sahitya Academy Award. Padagala Artha. Padagala means word, Artha means meaning. So what are the words meaning? First one, Siri. Siri means Sampatu. Sampatu means wealth. Arasi. Arasi means Huduki. Huduki means search. Nuri. Nuri means Mattu. Mattu means say. Ute. Ute means Nirina Chilume. It means water fountain. Next one. Samanarthaka Padagalu. Samanarthaka means synonym. Padagalu means words. So the first one is Anuraga. Anuraga means Preeti Prema. And in English the meaning is love. Next one, Nava. Nava means Akasa Agasa. Meaning is sky. Nege. Haru Jigi. It means jump. Matte means Tai Amma. Means mother. Next one. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ means the following questions. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means one sentence. ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. So write the answer in one sentence. So the first question is ತಾಯಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತಾಯಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ means mother's word. ಏನು means what? ತುಂಬಿದೆ means feeling. ಎಂದು ಕವಿ means that the poet ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ means saying. So what is feeling in mother's word the poet is saying? So the answer is ತಾಯಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ means in mother's word in place of ಏನು we have to write ಜೇನು. ಜೇನು means honey. ತುಂಬಿದೆ means feeling. ಎಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ means honey is feeling in mother's word. That's the poet is saying. Next question. ತಾಯಿ ಜೋಗುಳವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ means ತಾಯಿ means mother. ಜೋಗುಳವನ್ನು means the lullaby song. ಹೇಗೆ means how. ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ means sing. So how does the mother sing the lullaby song? So the answer is ತಾಯಿ ಜೋಗುಳವನ್ನು means the mother lullaby song ಅನುರಾಗದಿಂದ. ಅನುರಾಗದಿಂದ means with affection. ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ means sings. So mother sings the lullaby song with affection. Next question. ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ಯಾವುದು? So ಮಗುವಿಗೆ means child. ಮೊದಲ means first. ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ means school. ಯಾವುದು means what? So what is the child's first school? So the answer is ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ. ಮಗುವಿಗೆ means child. ಮನೆಯ means home. ಮೊದಲ means first. ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ means school. So home is the first school for a child. Next question. ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿಯಾಗುವಳು means ಅಮ್ಮ means mother. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ means for what? ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿಯಾಗುವಳು means show the direction. So the question is for what does the mother show the direction? The answer is ಅಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ಮರೆತ ಬಳಿಗೆ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿಯಾಗುವಳು. ಅಮ್ಮ means mother. ಗುರಿ ಮರೆತ ಬಳಿಗೆ. ಗುರಿ means goal. ಮರೆತ means forgot. ಬಳಿಗೆ means in life. So if the child forget their goal in life, Amma show the direction. Next question. ಕವಿ ಅಮ್ಮನನ್ನು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕವಿ means poet. ಅಮ್ಮನನ್ನು means to the mother. ಎಂದೆಂದು means what? ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ means called. So what has the poet called the mother? So the answer is ಕವಿ ಅಮ್ಮನನ್ನು means ಕವಿ tell the poet what? ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ದೇವತೆ. ನಡೆದಾಡುವ means walking. ದೇವತೆ means goddess. ಎಂದು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ means is calling. So the poet calls Amma as a walking goddess. Next question. Jambana Amarachinta means he is the poet. Avara Modala means his first. Kavana means poetry. Sankalana means collection. Yavudu means what? So, which was the Javana Amarachinta's first poetry collection? So, in place of Yavudu, we have to write Munjavina Kodalu. Means Munjavina Kodalu was Jambana Amarachinta's first poetry collection. Next question. Swanta Vakya Bareiri. Swanta means one, Vakya means sentence, Bareiri means write. So write your one sentence. So the first word is Anuraga. Anuraga means affection. So the sentence is Tayu Anuragadinda means mother with affection. Nodi Kolutare means take care. So mother take care with affection. Next one. Nava. Nava means sky. So the sentence is Hakkigalu means birds. Navade means in sky. Kadege, Kadege means towards. Harutave, Harutave means fly. So birds fly towards the sky. Next one, Dikshuchi. Dikshuchi means direction. So the sentence is Tai means a mother. Namage to us. Sada, Sada means always. Diksuchi ya Guritale means show direction. So mother always shows us the direction. So this is all about the question and answer of the chapter Amma. So here I have tried to explain all the question answer in English so that it will be easy for all of you to understand the chapter clearly. If you feel this video is useful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.